Here we go. Ready, Evelina? Ready? And up and arriba! Pretty proud of herself.
She is.
Yeah. How old are you? Oh. Ready? Do it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Up and arriba! You got it. You gonna let go and start walking? It feels like it.
Try it one more time.
Okay. Whoop. Whoop. Woo. Mix it up. Okay, ready? Up and arriba. She's doing this part herself.
So you could let go of her?
No. She's doing the up. Whoop. Ready?
She did that by herself.
Arriba. Little bit of hula hoop action.